Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Simple Scoop. Does it really work or is it a scam? Quick disclaimer, this review is based on official information, user feedback, and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you ask me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Now, according to Pool Day's site, Simple Scoop is an all-in-one pool treatment that includes oxidizer, algaecide, clarifier, stain, and scale inhibitors, all in a single weekly dose. Just one scoop per 5,000 gallons keeps your pool crystal clear and reduces chlorine usage. There's even a money-back guarantee and it's deemed safe for kids and pets. Real users on Reddit shared mixed feelings. One says, I use it, is great. Most of the time, I just don't need to test and balance, just hasn't happened yet. I use it, it's great. Most of the time, I don't need to test and balance, just hasn't happened yet. They highlight how it dramatically simplifies maintenance, but others caution about long-term chemical buildup. Reviewer described Simple Scoop as a convenient, effective product for busy families. She observed clearer water and less need for daily chemistry checks. Still, she notes you must maintain a sanitizer like chlorine separately. For the pros and cons, the pros are simplifies weekly pool care, reduces number of chemicals needed, fresh, clear water with fewer balance checks, while the cons are it doesn't replace chlorine or sanitizer, not ideal for high usage or specialized pools, may lead to chemical buildups, for example, CYA or copper over time. Simple Scoop isn't a scam. It does work for most pool owners seeking convenience and clarity, but it's not a miracle cure. Still need to monitor sanitizer levels and occasionally test water chemistry. If you're tired of juggling multiple pool chemicals and want to simplify your routine, Simple Scoop is worth trying, but don't skip basic maintenance checks. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.